Hello everyone, my name is Alcarbil Conada and I'm currently a first year student enrolled at Bachelor of Secondary Education or BSEd program. So today, I'll be discussing one major global issue that has been shaping our world today. So the issue focuses on the rapid advancement of technology, particularly artificial intelligence or AI, and its impact on society. AI's growth is driven by advances in computing power, data availability, and machine learning, leading to automation in sectors like healthcare, transportation, and finance. While this promises efficiency, it also causes job displacement, misuse, and exacerbates global inequalities, with its developed nations benefiting more from AI. So, here are the solutions suggested. First, regulation of AI development. Government should create clear regulation to ensure ethical use of AI. Second, education and reskilling. Investment and reskilling programs to help workers adapt to a tech-driven economy. Third, global collaboration. Countries should collaborate on creating international standards for AI to ensure global benefits. Number 4, promote AI for good. So focus on developing AI technologies to address global challenges like climate change and poverty. So in conclusion, while AI brings benefits, it also poses significant challenges. Addressing these issues through regulation, education, and collaboration, and ethical development can ensure technology serves humanity in fair and secure way. So that's all. Thank you.